Looking for a professional near you? Just head to the Gray Institute homepage, tap Locate a Professional at the top, enter your zip code, and find a certified provider in seconds.
You crushed a workout, or maybe just a long active day. Then soreness and fatigue set in. Here's the key. Recovery isn't about doing less. It's about reintroducing authentic functional motion. Try this recovery reset. With one foot forward rotationally, hold that lunge, and with both hands, drive your arms by swinging them down and back, high and back, overhead to one side, overhead to the other side, rotationally at shoulder one way, and rotationally at shoulder the other way. Then switch and repeat the same thing on the other side. And then after that, you're actually going to then switch to a rotational lunge backward to the same side and repeat all 6 arm drivers. What this does is it restores mobility in your hips, your spine, your shoulders without the stress, while reminding your body what good motion feels like. Traditionally, recovery means ice, static stretching, massage guns, or rest. All of that is extremely helpful. But what's missing is movement, and movement that pumps and flushes the whole body. What matters most is, number 1, restoring mobility in all planes. Number 2, circulating nutrients through motion. And number 3, resetting the nervous system to healthy patterns. Without functional recovery, the body doesn't bounce back as well. In fact, it'll compensate. You start moving differently. Small changes snowball into bigger problems. Applied functional science teaches recovery as restoring rhythm, load, and flow so your system reorganizes, not just resets. Ask yourself, am I moving in 3 planes of motion during recovery? Am I restoring mobility, not just resting? Am I giving my nervous system the input that it desperately needs? And with a movement professional, are they certified in applied functional science? Recovery isn't the end of training. It's the bridge to your next performance.